morning! Welcome again to our channel. And today it's too early. Nagbiyahe na kami kasi meron kaming puntahan na hearing. Diba? So ang aga namin, nag-stop kami para coffee and yung breakfast ka kasi medyo madilim-dilim pa. Super aga kasi. So ito, mag-breakfast muna kami and then mag-travel kami for 2 hours. So yes! I hope guys you enjoy my video. So guys, breakfast! Sa kanya, milk. And egg and cheese. Cheese, English muffin. And of course, ito yung sa akin guys. Ano lang, hash brown sticks. Kasi, tingnan. Mainit pa yung kape ko. Fat-free milk. Ayoko uminom ng malamig na inumin every morning. Gusto ko talaga like warm water. Ganun. Coffee. Ganun. That's my question. Kasi, nag-foundation ako. Finish. Tapos na guys. And andito na siya. Success. Thank you! Guys, alam nyo ba? yung katabi ko, yung jacket niya ay palaging yan yung paborito niya talaga. Every time na aalis kami, yan talaga ang kanyang susuotin. Kahit ang dami niyang yung ganito ba, pero yan talaga ang kanyang paborito. Iwan ko ba? Kaya mas comfortable siya dyan. So sabi ko sa kanya, lahat na lang sa video ko ganyan yung suot mo. Pero sabi niya, ito yung paborito ko. And anyway, kapag aalis lang naman ito ang sinusuot ko. At sabi ko naman, yeah, that's fine. ang bango pa din naman. O, di ba? Malayo pa kami guys. 44 minutes pa bago makarating kami. Ganda ng panahon. Puti ang palibot. Monang maputi po ko usahay. Guys, malapit na kami. Actually, nandito na kami. 1 minute na lang. I think bawal sa loob ang camera, yung phone. Kasi papasok kami ng Traya Fort. So, support. Kaya, nandito na kami. Hanap kami ng parking lot. Hanap kami ng parking lot. I don't know. And here we go. We are here.
One eternity later.
The alert and use voice commands while driving. Please proceed to the highlighted route and then the route guidance will start.
Hello guys, we're back. Not allowed yung phone doon sa loob ng trial court.
In 1/10 of a mile, turn left onto South Military
Ingay ng
Road.
GPS. That's fine. So, tapos na at alam mo ba? At alam niyo ba? I mean, nanood ako ng ng hearing session yung I think how many cases that we were
gosh.
there.
Proceed
There
1
was
half miles
six,
at 40
six or
north.
seven. He was number 49, I think. So there were 8 of them in front of him.
Oh yeah.
And there's
Oops.
probably 20 per page, and there's 3.5 pages.
Wow.
Yeah.
So, ayan, witness ko yung yung sa mga movie ko lang nakikita, yung naka-uniform na orange at saka haharap sila sa judge. Naku, first time kong na-experience yun. At saka ang dami like 5, 6 at saka mostly mga babae. So, meron dun nagsasmile, meron din parang sad, meron din parang umiiyak, ganun ba. So, ayan, parang nakakatakot pala kapag nandoon ka sa loob ng ng court. Parang, kinakabahan. We were there to support sa kanyang eldest kasi merong something na nangyari. So, ayun na nga. So, ang init dun sa loob pero nakaganito ako. Tapos alam niyo ba, yung attorney is just very simple, right?
Yeah,
The way she dressed,
oh
yeah.
God, yes.
Super simple, lang siya, yung simple lang, tapos naka-cardigan siya, tapos I think it's a jeans and then rubbers or something like that. So simple, but
Oh,
you know,
no, she was in slacks.
yeah.
She was.
Yeah, so happy kami kasi parang it's a positive result, right?
It was. It was about
Yeah.
as positive as it was going to get.
Yeah, so ayun, that was my experience. Akalain nyo, hindi ako attorney ha.
sitting there going, well, wait a minute. So now I'm looking at her.
Yeah.
Okay, she better be communicating back because she did. So. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to step in and say something.
So, that's it. I think kami uuwi na. Yun ang i-ano namin. I mean, nagsusupport lang. And I think yung narinig ko sa judge kanina, merong
Are you hungry for anything?
I'm good. Preliminary hearing, something like that.
Yeah, this was the next one, the preliminary hearing.
Yeah. We will be back on March 7th. So that's it, guys. So kami ay uuwi na. Parang naghanap na naman ako ng kape. I want coffee.
Say that after we pass McDonald's.
No, I'm fine. I'm not in a hurry now. Ooh. You know what, guys? Ito ay nakakatawa. It's so funny because the attorney thought I was his daughter. Sabi ko, hindi. Matanda na ako. Siguro my height, I'm short. That's why maybe. Pero matanda na ga
You
ako.
look very young.
So maybe sa tingin nila para matanda, bata ako. Pero
The healthy living sweets.
yeah, pero sadyang matanda na ako, guys. Matanda na ako, wag nyo akong anuhin, ha. Hindi ako bata, pero minsan sa Pinas nakapag-student discount pa ako, o, di ba? Sinungaling minsan. Hindi naman ako tinanong ng conductor kung estudyante ba ako. Sabi niya lang, okay, may student discount daw ako. So, I'm so
We go on a
happy.
quick trip, okay?
Okay, quick trip.
You like their coffee, but they don't have decaf. What? They gotta have
Yeah.
decaf. They have decaf.
So, magko-coffee na naman ako. Pauwi na kami.
This is my lunch. Ayoko nang pumunta ng restaurant. Dapat ganito lang. A snacks daw. But this is actually my lunch because I don't want to go out for like restaurant, something like that. Yeah, and of course I have coffee. I deserve a coffee. Ang lamig, negative 12.
So what do I get out of this thing?
Well, I don't know.
You gotta
So
see.
I have I don't know.
It's up to me. I'm gonna go drink. Thank you.
I think mozzarella sticks.
Try this.
In 1/10 of a mile, turn left onto West Johnson Street and then turn.
I did tickle and it hurt my lungs. So I'm gonna leave.
Proceed on 41 North.
Most of the people in the board are coffee. They're coffee.
Your jalapeno peppers,
I love it.
cheddar cheese, the coating around
katulog ko. Kanya,